स्टार्ट किया.
Today we are going to discuss for a C++ practical for to sort the number in array using separate function for read, display and sort and set. So for first line you have to write include iostream.h. This is the header file which is required to run any C++ program. This is the first line uses in C++ program. Has include iostream.h. Then using namespace std, then void read integer a, integer and n. That is integer for using the program, and then open the void read integer a, integer and n. Then open the brace, cout, enter the number of elements, then end line. Then cin, that is insertion operation. This is extraction option. Cin n, all the n you have two inputs. Then cout, enter the elements. How many elements you want? You have to cout the enter the element and end line. Then after comma you come to for loop. This is the for loop. For integer I equal to 0 till I is less than n, I plus plus. This is the for loop uses in C++. Then open the brace, cin a in bracket I, that is comma, then again close the brace, close the bracket, then void swap integer a, integer and b. Then open the brace again for temp process, integer temp equals a equals b, b equals temp. This is temp process, integer temp equals a equals b, b equals temp, close the brace. Void sort integer a bracket and integer n, open the brace. For integer I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So this is for loop. For integer I equal to 0 till I is less than n, you have to I plus plus. You have to increase the value of I. For integer j, again for integer j equal to 0 till j is less than n minus 1, j plus plus. You have to increase j till j is less than n minus 1. Then open the brace. If a in bracket j is greater than aj plus 1, swap aj and aj plus 1. You have to process the swapping process till aj is greater than aj plus 1. Then close the brace, close the brace, close the brace. Then void display integer a bracket, integer n. Then again close the brace, open the brace. For cout the sorted array is, for sorting process you have to cout the process, the sorted array and end line. Then to get this you use the for loop. For integer I equal to 0 till I is less than n, increment I plus plus. Till I is less than n, we have to go for I plus plus. Open the brace, cout ai and end line. Then close the brace, integer main. Then open the brace, integer a, the value of that is array, a10 for 10 values, and read an, sort an, display an, return 0, then close. So this is the program in C++ to sort the number in array using separate functions for read, display, sort and swap. Thank you.